Good morning, students of class 2. We have come back to our moral science class. Yes, happy puja. How do you enjoy your puja days? Nicely? Thank you. Okay, I have given you the syllabus for your annual term for the moral science, isn't it? Last day on 4th October, I have given you the syllabus for your moral science, and we have completed chapter 6 also. So, in our syllabus, chapter 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chapters. We'll now do chapter 7. Okay. And we have completed chapter 6. And I've done the question answers. I have to send you the meaning and opposite from this chapter. Today I'm going to start chapter 8. Chapter 8, open page 38. Little wins are pride. Little wins are pride. Yes. Today is 25th October 2021. Little wins a prize. Prize means some competition, isn't it? Yes, we have to read the story nicely and we have to remember each and every point. It's sports day, yes. The chapter is about the sports. The bugs and beetles are out to play. Prizes on the table lay. Yes, we can also see the picture of the prizes here, which were lying on the table. And bugs, beetles, and all the insects are in a playing mood, isn't it? So many to win and take away. The bugs and beetles were happy to run. They ran fast and had loads of fun. But all but little was a tiny bug, small bug. His tiny legs hurt, so in he dug. Sadly, he said, "No prizes for me. I can't win any." Little bug got hurt of his leg and she cannot run in the race. Cannot took part. He cannot took part in the sports. So she was very sad and she was uttering some sad words like, "No prizes for me. I can't win any." It is time for the relay run, the race that was most fun. Have you seen relay race? I think no, because it didn't took part in our sports in our school, isn't it? Oh no, I think many of you have taken part. You had taken part, isn't it? Yes. 2019 we have a sports day. Yes. Hey little, his friend said, run with the hanky till you see the next head. Little run, but he was slow. The wind pushed him hard and helped him to go. The hanky held like a shell. Yes, we can see the picture on page 39. Bug was running with a hanky. It is flying like a shell. Flew behind like a happy tail. Helped by the wind, he ran his beat. His friends ran the rest. The race was a hit. The others in the team ran faster than fast. They won the race at last. Little and his team got a prize. Little had tears of joy in his eyes. At last, he had a prize to take home. What do we learn from this chapter? We learn from this teamwork. In a team, some of us are better than the others. We do our best for ourselves and for the team. When we work as a team, we all win. Relay run, a race in which members of a team take turns to run. Yes. So I am reading again the chapter. It is a sports day. The bugs and the beetles are out to play. Prizes on the table. Prizes on the table lay. So many to win and take away. The bugs and the beetles were happy to run. They ran fast and had loads of fun. Sorry, they ran fast and had loads of fun. All but Little. Little was a tiny bug. His tiny legs hurt, so in he dug. Sadly, he said, "No prizes for me." He cannot took part in the sports because his legs were hurt. I can't win any. It is time for the relay race. The race that was most fun. Hey little, his friend said, run with the hanky till you see the next head. Little ran, but he was slow. The wind pushed him hard and helped him go. The hanky held like a sail, flew behind like a happy tail. Held by the wind, he ran his beat. His friends ran the rest. The race was a heat. It was a practice race. The others in the team ran faster than fast. They won the race at last. Little and his team got a prize. Little had tears of joy in his eyes, because he had won the prize. At last he had a prize to take home. Yes, what we learned from this chapter? We learned teamwork. First we learn here teamwork. Yes. Next, in a team, some of us are better than the others. We do our best for ourselves and for the team. When we work as a team, we all win. And we have learned the new words relay run. Relay run is a race which members of a team take turns to run. Okay? Okay, you have to learn the spellings like sports. You have to learn the sports, spelling of sports, beetles, prizes, 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 then tiny, 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 hurt, hurt, relay race, relay, relay, run, run, relay, relay, run, relay, run, hanky, post, pushed, post, behind, 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 next, tears, 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 okay. So, this much for today. Thank you. Next we will complete this chapter.